Jongsi na anu kapre phan ning dogrong la penang partner phan jongsi break up je phan sa chance kiri la pen nangalang phan pangmi krang blote hala so bang phumate abang phi la pano important nanglong pen answer kelong je phan athe ke nang kopya posalang phan avoid ma mate kopya posalang phan ignore no. If you're not interested anymore, if you don't like him or like her anymore, pulotang te kapachini ke kenang so, but without giving an answer and avoiding that person is not right. Athe ke hala so minute ko ano ne adu ke do hala ke nang chini ne. So right now, if you are answerable to someone, jong sinang kumanya phan answer ke pinang ji alam do pulote alang phan clearly pen chithan da no kalite alang nang phan nai hong ding po nang kopi po salang phan break up ma kopi po salang phan ki utikang ma lapen kopi po se alang phan ning ki dok te ma hala so alam ke chini je phan se alang nai hong ding po. Please let them know so that they don't waste your time on waiting for you.